Out of the men's room.
So, yeah, Nate's got a nice fitted bottom sheet and a blanket. Here's mine.
Gayer than ever.
It's not gay. And, whoa, I found you. Yeah, Caleb's
You're
doing...
becoming strong! You're becoming mighty!
Caleb's doing his, Caleb's got his, yeah, he's doing
The
something.
light
I don't know.
resistance band is key.
That's right. Screw the shake weight. Screw the shake weight. We got bungee cords. Yeah, so, there's no adults in here, so we'll see what happens tonight.
Brett's not in here?
Nope. Brett.
You didn't know that, Caleb?
Anyway, so this is, room 15. As we can see here, we have room 15, 2 tables, 1 narrow table, and 10 chairs.
100 years from now, it will not matter what my
That
bank
is-
account was. What house I
Yeah.
lived in. Or
Anyway,
the kind of
we're
car I
not
drove,
getting
but the
any
world may be
sleep
different
tonight.
Because I was important in the life of a child.
I'm sure you were.